How to fix sagging IKEA Lack shelves. Here are some tips for fixing sagging IKEA Lack shelves. Add a brace or support bracket underneath the shelf. You can buy metal brackets that attach to the underside of the shelf to provide more support. Make sure to get brackets that fit the shelf depth. Attach the shelf to the wall for more support. Place the shelf against the wall and secure it using screws or nails through the back top edge of the shelf into wall studs. This will prevent sagging or tipping. Reinforce the shelf with wood strips. Cut strips of wood the length of the shelf and glue and slash or nail them to the underside of the shelf. This adds rigidity and structure. Hardwood strips work best. Adjust the shelf supports. IKEA Lack shelves have adjustable plastic supports. Make sure these are tightly screwed into the vertical legs, and place them underneath where items add the most weight on the shelf. Avoid placing too much weight in one spot. Distribute items evenly across the entire shelf and avoid clustering heavy objects together to prevent sagging in one area. Also be sure not to exceed the total recommended weight capacity. Tighten all connecting hardware. Check that all screws, bolts, and fasteners are tight on the shelf to ensure a solid connection and prevent loosening over time, which can lead to sagging. With some simple adjustments and reinforcements, you can easily fix a sagging Lack shelf and extend its life.